Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about if you are in Zimbabwe, probably you are just beginning your online forex trading journey and you're kind of asking which one is the best online forex broker to go with. So I'm going to go through some of the options that I think you can actually go with, and then you can choose which one is the best for you. So the criteria that I'm going to use for my review in this video about the forex brokers is based on my experience personally. Okay, so you may find someone liking the other or someone favoring the other, so this is just based on my experience and I'm just going to share my thoughts. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, consider hitting that subscribe button so that you don't miss some of these videos, and hit that bell button. Also give this video a thumbs up. So with that being said, let's head over. So the first platform that I'm going to talk about is called XM. So I'm going to add links to all these brokers that I'm going to be talking about in the description below. So XM is one of the online forex brokers that is actually used in Zimbabwe. Personally, I don't have an account with them, but in my circles I've got a lot of friends that are always talking about it, and they are using it to trade their forex. So this is actually one website that you can actually use to do forex trading in Zimbabwe. And then the second one is IQ Options. So I do have an account with IQ Options. I've actually traded as well on IQ Options. I have traded a couple of times with it, and it is a great platform to do your online forex trading. And as you can see, they've got different options that you can actually trade. There's forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and the other stuff. So this one is another platform that can be used by Zimbabweans to trade forex. There is also Hot Forex, and Hot Forex again offers online forex trading. And then one thing I love about Hot Forex is that they've got education here. They've got ongoing webinars, they've got how-to videos, they've got e-courses. Like if you're just getting started with online forex trading, their e-course is really good, if you ask me. They've got a lot of tools in terms of the affiliate program, where if you need to recommend people to the platform, you can actually do that by heading over where it says partners, and there's some investments, there's palm accounts, there is BA manager, there is quite a lot of things that they actually offer. And if you can actually scroll down their website, you can actually read more about what they offer. But it's again one of the online forex brokers that is commonly used in Zimbabwe. And then last one is Deriv. Okay, now this is my favorite, Deriv, my favorite based on my experience, and this is what I use. The other options that I've actually shown you, the other brokers, yes, they are available for Zimbabweans to use, but I hardly use them nowadays. But my best for now is Deriv. I'm going to explain more why Deriv is my best broker at the moment. So this is the website. You can actually read about what they offer. They also offer, one of the things that most people love about Deriv is that you can actually trade what is known as synthetic indices. Now synthetic indices, you can actually trade 24/7 non-stop. Okay, throughout the week you can actually trade, even Mondays to even Sundays and Saturdays when the other major markets are actually closed. So you can actually do forex, stocks and indices, commodities, and this is why again a lot of people prefer it. And then you can actually see some of the testimonies right there that people are actually sharing about this platform. And yeah, this is let me just head over to my slides and show you some notes that I've written why Deriv is the best broker at the moment in Zimbabwe. So number one, the majority of Zimbabweans use Deriv. If you're gonna ask anyone who is into forex trading, they're gonna tell you that they use Deriv. The majority of them. A few of them are gonna tell you other brokers, but you know, numbers can't go wrong. You see, if people are going there, that means they have got something unique. Okay, and I'm gonna share some of the uniqueness that they have which other brokers don't have. The other thing is support from Zimbabwean staff. Okay, if you are going to be part of Deriv and you want to reach out to their support, they're going to dedicate your issue to a Zimbabwean person, a Zimbabwean personnel. Okay, if you can't explain your problem in English, it simply means you can explain it in your mother language. It can be Ndebele or Shona. Okay, so you can be understood much better. So some of their staff are Zimbabweans. I've never seen any Zimbabweans on other platform on their stuff. I mean, when Deriv started, I started using Deriv like in 2015 2016. From that time, the people that were actually handling support were agents, and when we tried to explain our issues in terms of moving money, in terms of having other withdrawal options, they couldn't understand what we're actually talking about. But this Deriv is actually introduced Zimbabwean staff, so we actually communicate with their staff, and we give them what we are having on the ground, and they understand the situation in Zimbabwe. They know what EcoCash is, they know what Zipit is, they know the bank transfer is, they know our banking system. So then that means when we have an environment like that, they can create a product that is unique for Zimbabwe. And this is another great point that we have. Okay. And then the other thing that I need to talk about is the most important one, is the payment options. Okay, when you're talking of withdrawal and deposit, this is one of the critical questions that a lot of people that are just getting started with forex trading, they will be asking, how do I get my money? They need to know the easiest way to get their money. Now, besides the other major options of depositing or withdrawing money into Deriv, that is Bitcoin, that is Visa, that is MasterCard, that is bank transfer, those are major ways to deposit and withdraw your money from Deriv. And the other brokers, they also have those major ways like Visa, MasterCard, bank transfers, and Bitcoin. But Deriv went on to have Zipit. If you live in Zimbabwe, you would understand how Zipit works. You can actually use Zipit to deposit your money or withdraw your money from Deriv. They have EcoCash. Okay, if you live in Zimbabwe, you would understand how EcoCash works. You can actually use your EcoCash RTGS balance to send money to be deposited into your Deriv account, and you can actually do that when you're actually doing the withdrawal as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a video that I've actually done that explains just that part of using Zipit and EcoCash to make your withdrawals and deposits. So they have an inbuilt system which is called peer-to-peer. So it's Deriv peer-to-peer. Now the Deriv peer-to-peer is a system that actually uses the EcoCash and Zipit to deposit and withdraw funds from Deriv, which is what we want. We want access to our funds. We want to easily deposit money into our online forex trading brokers easily. Okay, isn't it? So that's what these actually offers. So if you're going to go to the bank to deposit your money using USD, the bank in Zimbabwe is going to ask you quite a lot of questions, and the process can be really boring. So the Deriv peer-to-peer is the one to go for. And there's also agents like myself. I'm a Deriv agent. So what agents do is I can receive your money, you give me money in hand, you give me cash in hand, and I can transfer that money into your Deriv account, okay, because I will be having a balance in my account. So again, that's another way of actually withdrawing or depositing funds. So if you make your profits, if you make your money in Deriv, and if you want to cash out money, okay, you can actually contact any of the agents or contact myself. I can actually give you cash and you do the transfer to my Deriv account. So this is again an inbuilt system which really has helped accelerate the Deriv broker as the preferred one in Zimbabwe, and which is why a lot of Zimbabweans use it, and which is why I also recommend it as the best online forex broker in Zimbabwe. Okay, I'm actually coming to the end of my video, and did I miss anything? So I know that there is other brokers, and there is also you may have experience with Deriv. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment below this video. I'll be more than happy to assist. And if you have any contributions to add on to this video, please go ahead and do that, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell button so you never miss any of these amazing updates, and also give this video a thumbs up. With that being said, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on my other video. Bye for now.